Hello friends, this is Jagbir Singh. Today we are going to learn how to do shear wall design using IS456 design code. So let's go with a new project, and with space I'm giving it as name, and your units meter and kilonewton. Go with next and just finish. Just to make it very quick, I will go for my structure wizard, geometry, run structure wizard, and I am going with frame model and using bay frame. Let's just do some customization here. Let's get 8, the height is 943 meter each, 8 again, and 3 on all sides. Now this is my structure. Let's just import it to my Staad Pro with 0 0 coordinates, and this is my structure. So what I have to do now, I have to create a surface. So you can either go with this particular one tool here, or you can go for geometry and add surface here. So I'm going with this one, and I'm just creating a surface from this point, second, third, fourth, and just to finish, just come here. Same you do here, second, third, fourth, and fifth. First, second, third, and fourth, and fifth. So you can see I have created 3 surfaces here. So now what I have to do, I have to go for general. To define its properties, go for thickness. So now you do not have to give plate element thickness, you have to give surface thickness here. So select this one, and just for sake I am saying 0.23 meters, and just with concrete material add and close. Now select this one and go for selecting your surface like this. Sorry, go for surface and assign to selected surface, assign. Now let's create some properties for my rest of the structure. So I'm creating a rectangular of point 25 into 0.2 meters, add, close, and just assign it to view, and simply assign. Now let's create some support for my structure. So I'm going with a fixed one, and just select your support and orient your model from Z and assign to selected nodes, assign. Now just go for some load cases. I'm just creating a dead load, and in that dead load I'm just creating one self weight in -1 y direction. Just select it and assign to view. Now simply add analysis and print, and simply analyze your structure. So once your analysis is done, so with 0 error warning or notes, just close, and then go for post processing, load case 1, yes, and then go for just like say surface, and I want to see its maximum absolute value, and then you can see here is your surface with these values here. So now we have to design it according to my design code. So to do that, you have to go to your modeling again, and now we have to give its specification about design codes, what are its parameters we have to choose. So I'm going with design, and in this design part you have to go here shear wall, because you can see you have to define what you gonna design. So go for shear wall, and the moment you hit shear wall you will see there is coming shear wall panels, and there are three surfaces. This is because we have created three surfaces over here. Now we have to define them by creating a panel over there. So below these three surfaces there are three tabs. First one is create panel, second one delete panel, and change property. So this is all about to go for your shear wall. So select your first surface and then go for create panel here. The moment you hit that, let me just do it once again. The moment you select surface 1 and create panel, all your surface and your structures will be diminished, only one panel will be available to you. So now you see it is from 0 to 3 meters, that means it is from the bottom. So now you have to create a panel, and your cursor has been changed into a plus mark. So you start to create your panel just like now. Now the moment you hit the last node, it will pop up with one tab. It is saying select panel type. What type of panel is this one? Either it is a beam, it is a column, or a wall. So this one is representing my wall, so I am selecting wall, and you have to hit OK here. Yes, and now you see it is turned into a green one. So again you go for shear wall, and now you see in surface there is plus mark panel 1 wall. So the same way you have to go for rest of the surfaces. I'm selecting second one. Now my second one is coming with some hatch, that means this is my active one. So go for my create panel again, and now you see it is from 3 to 6, that means it is the middle one. So I have to create a panel here just like I did for the previous one, and then again define its type, its wall panel, and just say OK, and again go for my shear wall. So now the remaining one you have to define that one also. So select surface 3, create panel. Now this one is from 6 to 9, that means it is of top panel. So that way you can track which panel you are going to define, and just finish this one. Okay, again go for shear wall, and now like always we do, you have to choose which design code you want to go for. There are different design codes. One is ACI B, the second one is British one BS8110, and the last one is Indian one IS456. So we use IS456 for this particular one as in India, so select this one. And now you have to tell what parameters of this shear wall you want to define. So for that you have to go for this particular select wall option. The moment you hit, there are so many selected parameters for this shear wall, but you do not have to define each and every one of them, but there are some which you have to define as a must. For example, the compressive strength of concrete and yield strength of main reinforcement. So you have to select them into the right box. The right box represents the selected one, and then simply hit OK. So the moment you hit OK, you will see right now you have to go for define parameters, because you have selected some parameters, then you have to define what is the values of these parameters you're gonna use. So for that you have to go for define parameters tab here, and you select. Now you all the parameters you have selected are listed here. FC, that means compressive strength of my concrete, and FY main reinforcement bar sizes. So I'm saying FC. What is the value? I am saying 25000 because it is in kilonewtons, and just add. Then you go for FY main. I am using 415 grade of steel. Even in India we use 500 also. Just add and then close. Now you see here this FC25000 is available here, and you have to define this is representing whom. So you select that one, and now you have to go for surface and select your surface, and assign to selected surface, assign. The same way you have to go for your FY main, select go for assign selected surface and select your surface and assign to selected surface, assign. Now you have to go for commands. Which command, like for steel design there are so many options you can choose, like you can go for take off, you can go for select design code, each and everything, but in this you have to simply just add and close. Go again here and say design shear wall and select your shear wall and assign. Now simply just go for your analyze and run analysis, and it will go for analyzing your shear wall. Now you see there is 0 error, 0 warning and 0 note. So let's just go for output file, what it is saying, and just done. Now go for shear wall. Now you see design code, FC value, FY main, shear wall list all. So it is showing width is 2.67 meters, height is this one, thickness is this one. These are some parameters of my shear wall design. So it have already designed my uh, shear wall. It is saying left edge area ratio, minimum ratio, horizontal vertical values and level in meters 0.30, 0.6090, 120. These are corresponding values. What is dia 8 at 109.00 dia 8, like what is my rebar size, everything has been assigned here. So this is my shear wall design. So this is Jagbir Singh today signing off. Friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want to continuously see the entire tutorial series. And if you feel that you need help in particular topic, then kindly drop down that topic in comment section so that I can see that and I can create a video for you. And you can rate my video, you can give your suggestions how I can make my video more effective and educational to you. So this is Jagbir Singh signing off today. I would say Jai India, Jai Bharat.